guys, it's Ariel Fox and Finny, of course. We're here today to colour my hair, and we're going to do it Halloween themed and make it super funky and a bit braver than I normally go for. And the colours we're using today are going to be by Knight & Wilson, and they are their Colour Freedom colours. I have this one in Truly Blue and this one in Pink Piazz, which I've used before. And then I also have this one in Crimson Red, and then this one in Mystic Purple. So we've got lots of colours going on today. Also have some cream bleach powder so we can pre-lighten before we put some of the colours on. I'm not going to lighten all of my hair because my hair is quite light, as you can see on the top here. So it's going to take the pink and the red really well, but it will not take the purple and the blue. So we're going to lighten some sections and bleach them all up ready for the purple and blue. If you are doing this at home and you have darker hair, you might want to pre-lighten it first. Make sure you're careful with pre-lightening because it can be tricky and it can go wrong. So just please follow all the instructions properly if you are pre-lightening your hair. But if you have quite light hair, then warmer tone colours like the pink and the red will probably go on really well. Before we get into today's video, as always, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe below and also give this big video a big thumbs up if you like it too. Colours by Knight & Wilson are also vegan as well, which makes them perfect for me because I will only use vegan products. Let's get started. So we're going to start by bleaching first, and I'm only going to do segments underneath and hopefully we'll get them light enough to put on the purple and blue. So I'm just going to open this up and then I'm going to talk you through the whole process of everything I'm doing today so you can do it at home too if you want to. Inside this box you get a little tray and then your products as well for mixing. To start this process, we're going to mix this one with this one, and it's 50% of either, so I'm just going to get these all mixed up and we're going to start putting my hair. Now my cream bleach is all mixed up and creamy, I'm going to start applying it. I'm not going to use the cap with the kit, I'm going to actually use some foils because I want a nice big blocky bits in my hair. Depending on how light we can get this, it'll either go blue or purple. I quite like to put blue in it. I'm not sure if it's going to lighten up enough, so it might have to be purple. Apply quite a generous layer of bleach onto this piece. Then we're going to get some foil and we're going to put it in the foil and then put a little bit more bleach on it too to make sure it develops properly. Now I'm going to choose some other bits to do. I'm going to be doing this quite randomly because I don't really know where I want these pieces. I definitely want them under my hair, but I'm not sure where, so this is going to be pretty random. I finished off putting all these in my hair in my bathroom so I could see what I was doing properly, and because you guys don't need to see me put every individual one in because it's basically the same process over and over again. I'm going to let this develop for 60 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out and come back and show you guys. My hair hasn't lifted insane amounts, as you can see. It's lifted on my root where it was still more of my natural colour. I thought I didn't have any root left, but it looks like I do just there. But it doesn't really matter too much because I think it's lifted enough in the places I want it to put a bit purple on there. There are these lighter areas. It's hard to see with my light in here, but there are some really light areas under here. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to do the lighter bits with the purple before we do anything else, and then we're going to put them into foils, kind of like the process with the bleach but the same with the purples. When my purples are on, I'm going to put foil on and then I'm going to just repeat the same process on all of the lighter bits if I can't find them all. Head to the bathroom just to see, because the light's going in here, just to see where I put all the lighter pieces. So now we're going to go on to doing the pink and the red. So I'm going to do pink on this side and then red on this side. That side's pretty much done. Excuse my face, it's covered in dye. I'm gonna get that off in a minute. I have really good stuff for getting that off. It's on. I look a mess because I am covered in colour as always, like I warned you at the start. It's worse than ever because I've been trying to do like kind of complicated dye job while trying to film at the same time. I'm gonna go off and I am gonna let this set for about 40 minutes, half an hour, somewhere around there. I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna come back after I've dried it as well and show you what it looks like. I'm really excited to show you. And also I need to tidy myself up. But see you soon. Back from washing and drying my hair, and this is my finished look. I am absolutely in love with how this has come out. I love the purple. I was really worried, like I was saying, that the purple might not show up as well. This side is pink and this side is red, and you can't really see the difference in here, but in the daylight outside you'll definitely be able to see. I am so in love with this colour, like I prefer it to the colour I even had before. Proper nice shine in it as well. I used Knight & Wilson's conditioner that came in the box with the bleach, because it's supposed to be designed for after bleaching your hair, so I put that all through my hair. The purple is like proper in there, and I think the darker colour of the purple really complements my skin colour as well, and it's very cute and very perfect for Halloween. Thank you so much, Knight. My hair looks amazing and I can't wait to show it off. Stay tuned because the next video I'm going to post is going to be for Knight & Wilson again. I'm not re-dyeing my hair because I love it, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be styling it and also styling my makeup, and I'm going to do a spooky Halloween look in theme with everything that's going on here and this. So I'm going to do a lovely spooky Halloween look for you guys, so please stay tuned for that too, and I hope to see you next time I post. Goodbye!